Alright, so this will be a quick video, but an exciting one. Notion just released slides today. Really love this update because it's so simple and elegant. All you need is any kind of Notion page, and then you want to have some dividers on it. And after that, you can simply click on the three dots in the top right corner, choose the present option, and then, well, there you have it. A quick little slide deck based on your Notion page. As you can see, everything that is divided by a divider turns into its own slide. Notion auto scales the content in terms of the sizing, right? So it all fits in there nicely. And then, yeah, you can simply go through your presentation and walk people through whatever it is that you want to talk about. Now, a few quick important notes. First, there's currently no way to modify the very first slide. The very first slide will always be the title of your page plus the icon that you have chosen, right? So there's no way to say, hey, on the first page, I want some additional content. Second, if you have interactive page elements, for example, a video embed or a toggle, then they also work in presentation mode. The one thing to keep in mind, though, in particular with toggles, is that the amount of page content changes, right, when you open it up. So the Notion page, right, scales to make that fit, right? So you see when I open the toggle, right, my overall text gets a bit smaller, but still pretty cool implementation of that. Now, while testing, I've been really happy with the way that Notion scales to content. So even if you have a slide like this one, right, where there's a ton of stuff on there, Notion kind of handles it well. In that case, of course, it feels more like just a snapshot of a Notion page rather than a slide, but I mean, that's just because there's so much stuff on there. Notion slides even work with databases. So you can use this, right, for example, for your internal Monday stand-up meetings, right, and then pull from the list of tasks that's up and perceive what everything has to work on. Now, one limitation, while you're in this mode, while you get the UI, right, of these elements, you can change filters if you wanted to while presenting, but opening a page doesn't currently work, right? So as you can see, right, if I click on this, there's no UI feedback or so that it's happening. That, yeah, is not possible. But all the other elements, they work, right? You can even click on new page and have that, but then you can't fill it out because there's no way to, right, really click into that. Sure, they fixed that, right? It still says beta on the whole thing, but one thing to keep in mind. Another thing that's not quite possible yet, but that would be a really cool addition in the future, is if we could set a page to auto launch in presentation mode, right? So at the moment, you always have to do this manually. You need to go through the three dots, right? Click on present. You can also use the shortcut Command Ctrl P to jump into presentation mode, but there's no way, right, to, for example, say, hey, this page should always load in presentation mode and then share a link to someone. So that would be, of course, really cool, right? If you wanted to put together proposals in Notion or some other elements and sort of present them in a nicer visual way, would be really cool if that comes at some point. But for now, right, it's more of a, well, okay, let me just present this page. Now, my pro tip for these new Notion slides is to use Notion Agent actually to create them for you. And I think that will be one of the main benefits of using Notion slides over something, like Pitch or Google Slides, because you can create them so much easier with the help of AI. For example, this sample presentation here, right, is the result of me just giving Notion AI a link to our new About Us page on the website and asking it to turn this into a quick slide deck. And it did a pretty good job, right? It seems to have like a fairly intuitive understanding of how much content to put on the slide and also how to use different Notion blocks to, like style this nicely. This is pretty much the only slide where I would say, hey, okay, here I need to go in and rework it a bit because 4 columns, right, with the blocks don't work so well. That's a little bit of an unfortunate cutoff. But for the rest of it, right, did a really good job and making sure that this looks nice and visual and, yeah, works just really well. But yeah, overall, just a really nice way to break up your Notion page and use it for some quick presentations on the fly, right? In particular with the embeds working for the most part, right? Not all embeds work. You might have to test some of them. But for example, website embeds, right? They work pretty well. Can even use the links, right, to jump to certain sections in your presentation. And then, yeah, just go back and forth between elements. So pretty cool. Really excited for this, right? A small but mighty feature update that will come in handy quite a lot, right? We'll definitely make sure to run our next presentations for our community meetups in Berlin through here. And let's see what other features Notion will ship for this in the future.